In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create influencer AI Weavy. We'll go from a blank workspace to a polished animated AI influencer, keeping everything clear, consistent, and easy to repeat. First, open the Weavy app in your browser. Create a new file if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if you already have one. Give your file a descriptive name so you can find it later as you build variations of the same character. Next, add a prompt block to your workflow. In this first prompt, you're designing the influencer's look. Think of it as locking in a consistent face and persona. Consistency is everything here. Reuse the same prompt style every time, keep your face description identical across runs, and when you get a great result, save that image as your base character. Describe fixed details clearly: face shape, hair color and style, skin tone, eye color, lighting, lens, or aesthetic so the model has a reliable target. If you need to iterate, adjust scene or wardrobe language, but avoid changing the face description once it works. Add an image generator model to the canvas and connect your prompt to it. You can choose Nano Banana 2 or Flux 2 Pro. Both will generate strong character images. If you're unsure about settings, defaults are fine to start. Click Run Model and review the outputs. Pick the best image and mark it as your base character for all future steps. Now, add another prompt block to the workflow. This one will handle animation, turning your image into a short video. Switch to image to video, upload the base character image you just selected, and craft motion guidance in natural language. For subtle, lifelike presence, try natural blinking, subtle head tilt, soft breathing motion, gentle smile, realistic facial micro expressions. To add social-friendly movement, include slow cinematic push-in, Instagram reel style, soft lighting changes, shallow depth of field. Add a video generator model next. Choosing the right model matters. Cdance 2.0 or Cdance 2 is ideal for influencer-style content. With a realistic cinematic look, smooth facial structure, and great downstream animation quality. Connect your animation prompt to this model, then connect your generated image as both the start frame and the end frame to maintain identity and minimize drift throughout the clip. Finally, click Run Model to generate your animated influencer. Watch the results and iterate thoughtfully. If the motion feels too strong, soften the verbs in your prompt. If the face shifts, tighten your character description and keep using the same base image. With this workflow set, you can reliably produce consistent, on-brand influencer videos whenever you need them.